In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. This is perfect for one-off payments, phone orders, or times when you need to process a card directly without building a checkout page. I'll walk you through each click and share helpful tips so you can charge confidently and keep your records clean. First, sign in to your Stripe dashboard using your usual credentials. Once you are in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account and environment for the charge you want to make. From the top navigation bar, head over to Payments. This page shows your recent transactions and overall payment activity. It's also where you'll start a new manual charge, so everything is tracked in one place and tied back to your reporting. Next, look to the top right corner and click the plus Create button. A panel or window will open with a few options. Choose Payment. This tells Stripe you want to charge a credit or debit card directly, rather than creating something like a payment link or an invoice. Selecting payment keeps the process focused and fast for immediate collection. Now enter the payment details. Start with the amount, making sure it's accurate to the cent, and select the correct currency from the drop-down. Currency matters for your reporting and for the customer's card issuer, so double-check it before you proceed. Then, carefully enter the customer's card details into the secure fields. The card number, expiration date, and security code. Only type the information directly into Stripe, but don't store it elsewhere, and be sure you have the customer's authorization to charge their card. Accuracy is key here. A small typo can cause a decline or delay. You also have optional fields that can make your records clearer. Add a short description to note what the charge is for. This can help your team with reconciliation and may appear on the customer's receipt details for transparency. If you already have a saved customer profile in Stripe, you can associate this payment with that profile. This makes future charges and refunds easier and keeps all activity organized under one customer record. When everything looks correct, click Charge. Stripe will immediately try to process the payment if it succeeds. You'll see a confirmation and the charge will appear in your payments list. If it doesn't go through, review the details or ask the customer for another card. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently process a manual charge in Stripe.